Hey babes, and good morning. I just woke up, so excuse my swollen, tired face, but you guys have seen me like this before, so I hope you're okay with that. If you're not, then get out of here. Just kidding. I'm so excited about this video. This is something that I've never done. It is a huge trend now in Sweden. I haven't really seen it that much in the US, actually. I don't think it's that big of a deal there, but here in Sweden, everybody does it now and everybody wants it. And what I am talking about is brow lamination. It sounds scary, but it is pretty much like a lash lift. You lift your brows so they look super feathery and full, and that is something that I've wanted to do now for months. Even though I could obviously just go to a real professional and do this, I felt like it would be a lot more fun to do it myself with you guys. I never really see the point of going to like a hairdresser if I can do it myself, you know? So we are going to see if this works. I bought this kit that I am not going to show you guys because I am not 100% sure that this is good. Like right now I'm like a little bit scared. I've seen other people do this on YouTube, and some of their brows like started to bleed, and therefore I felt like this is a great idea. So with that said, don't try this at home. I'm not sure that this is 100% safe for you, but we're gonna try it. So this is how my brows look right now. This is how they look. For those of you that have been here a long time, you guys might remember when I didn't have any brows at all. I used to shave all of them off, but it's insane how much my brows have grown ever since that. And also I have just like a month or so ago dyed my brows, so therefore they are super dark. I think I'm actually going to bleach them soon because I think it will look really cool. They are quite feathery because they are super like long. We might have to cut them a little bit. Yeah, usually I just have them like this. So I guess this is the before. So when you open up the kit, I get these thingies. Direction for use. Use the cleanser 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Number 4, we're gonna take and clean. Doesn't smell like anything. I think it's just like alcohol probably. Like, this is a lot of product. If this is good, I could do this again. Saying that now, cut to when this bleeds. Spoiler alert, this is actually for a lash lift, but I've seen people do it for their brows. So yeah. Apply the glue on the eyelashes, it says here, but brows to keep it stuck to the lift pads. Okay, so I guess you're gonna take the false lashes glue. Weird to use lash glue, right? Okay, I have this little tool that looks like it has a little brush kind of thing. So I'm thinking I'm gonna push them up. Oh shit. Okay, wait. More glue, I guess. Look! Oh my god, I just pulled out one of my brow hairs. Can you see? Shit! More of my brows just fell out. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, I think that this will do. This is how it looks right now. Let's do the other side as well. Alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. Can we talk about this happening right now? What is my brows? Like, they are so uneven and they look so weird. What? I'm going to use the Perm Solution, the number 1, on the brows, and then I will cover them with a plastic wrap for 10 to 12 minutes. Let me get some plastic wrap. Here we go. Here we have number 1, the Perm Solution. Ooh, it smells so bad. The Perm Solution smells exactly like the before. It smells like, you know, let me go in with just a cotton bud like that. I have no idea how much you should use. I have no idea about anything, as you guys know already, probably, hopefully. If you're new here, welcome. I do shit like this and I have no idea what I'm doing. Plastic wrap. Plastic wrap on the brows. This is how it looks. Completely natural. Okay, see you guys in 10 to 12 minutes. I swear to you, I think this has bleached my brows. My brows look like a reddish brown now. Can you guys tell? It is very like warm, but it doesn't hurt or anything, so I feel fine. Okay, we are going to remove the excess with this little brush, and then we are going to apply the number 2 fixation on the brows again, and then cover it again for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, let's do it. Oh. Scary. I'm just going to try and remove most of it like this. Then let's go in with the fixation. That looks like a beautiful blue. And we shall see how this will go. This on there. And then see you guys in 12 minutes again. There we go. It's been 12 minutes and I'm now going to take this off. It is very warm again. You are supposed to remove this with this little spatula thingy again. Oh yeah, I can actually see the glue starting to come up with this. I swear this has taken off so much of my dye that I have in my brow. Oh my god, I'm losing so much brows. Maybe I shouldn't pull so hard. Whoopsie. I'm gonna go in with the cleanser again. Starting to get quite red around my eyebrows now, but it doesn't hurt or anything. Then you are apparently going to go in with this nutrition lastly, and I think this is just an oil. Let's just take some on my finger. Let's see if we can now make them go wherever we want. Oh. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can think this is as weird as it is for me. Like, oh my god, I can do like eyebrow art now. Oh my god, look at that! So weird. I think you should have them combed up as much as possible. The first like 24 hours, I think. At least that's what I've heard. Honestly, I'm not sure if I think it looks good, but this is not really the result that you are trying to get when doing this. It's more like, let's see, let's try and fix this brow. Yeah, oh my god, look at that. That looks so good. I mean, it's not perfect because I don't have brow hairs where I really want it to be. My brows are kind of short and a lot in the middle, but not a lot in the outer corners. But doesn't it look good? Okay, so I guess that is it for this video. I am really impressed actually. I felt like it was super quick. It didn't hurt at all, but I am not going to link to this product and not really recommend it because I have seen some people get like rashes and they started to bleed. So I'm not going to recommend the product, but if you want to find it, you can find it online. I mean, hello, just Google it. Bear in mind, there are people that have gotten real like allergies almost from it, but my skin can take it all. I feel like. Okay, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you know anything other similar to this that you want me to try, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye.